because that is aligned with, okay, hey, how can we help each other out and go that direction? But if I know these individuals, I'm like, dude, I don't want to hang out with them, because of their negativity, because of what their beliefs and their values. That's an easy no. You could go to the healthiest place in Texas and I'm going to say no because of those two things.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. And you don't have to be, and not saying that you are, but you don't have, it's not rude to say no. I think a lot of people feel, well, I don't want people to be offended, or I
Yeah.
don't want people to be upset. I don't want them to stop asking. I don't want them to be disappointed, right? Because that's just our culture. We don't want to disappoint people. That's how we have relationships. We want to enjoy those, make people happy, and have a cohesive relationship. But when it comes to this, it's surprising if you look at when you say no, how does that position you in their minds? If you're always saying yes, it's almost like, well, I know they're going to say yes, and who does that innately? We're not thinking consciously about this, subconscious. But when you say no to things, you get more respect. You get more respect because
Yep.
we know it's difficult to say no, and that person just pulled it off. They just said no, and I know in culture, people say yes to things. So what do they have that I don't? How are they able to say that to me? I'm actually curious.
Yeah.
Now. And that person knows where they're going. And when you hang around people who know where they're going, that clarity that you're talking about, it's like, it's a different vibe, man. It's very purposeful, and it's driven. And so I think there is a really sweet reward for being able to say no.